Veteran groups and community members were on hand to celebrate the start of the new construction phase of the new high-level, multi-arch concrete bridge, which will replace the existing drawbridge that is more than 60 years old.
This was a great partnership, and it was all spearheaded by the county council led by Josh Wagner in setting up a project advisory committee from the get-go to ensure that all the various interests, from veterans to fishermen to handicapped to bicyclists, were fully involved.
To come up with a design, community leaders engaged more than 2 years of public participation. Design elements incorporate recognition of our veterans, as the bridge is also meant to serve as a memorial for veterans and will include plaques at 28 scenic overlooks commemorating conflicts in America's military history.
Started as, let's have a central location that everybody can come to, the veterans and people that want to pay their respects to the veterans. And it turned in really to state and much larger than that. It looks like it's going to now be a national monument because there is nothing like it anywhere in the world. It just doesn't exist. So it's really, I think that aspect is bigger than the bridge itself, but it also at the same time, we thought the bridge signified something. You know, strength was a big part of it. The arches, the reason, we didn't get into the specifics here, but the idea behind the arches was the lifting up, the people passing. I mean, it's every aspect, the colors, the lighting, the way that we have the poles set up.
The initial phase of construction will take 3 to 4 months and includes the demolition of the existing bridge. As early as August, the laying of the foundation, which involves the driving of 225 concrete pilings, some measuring 30 inches square and 100 feet long, into the riverbed, is expected to begin and continue for approximately 10 months. A website with ongoing construction updates and photos has been set up for the project. That website is volusia.org/Veterans Memorial Bridge.